11:20 p.m. the night before their very first car show together. This Park Avenue that I have been doing all year is detailed and ready to go to its first car show tomorrow. Everything is complete. Brand new paint, top, chrome, wheels, pinstripe, new AC system, ice cold. She's not a one-trick pony. She's just as beautiful and plush inside as she is out. Brand new everything, brand new compressor, brand new 4-core radiator, brand new AC Delco battery, belts, hoses, cruise, brake booster, 4-note horn, chrome front bumper, hood pad, and this guy's exhausted and going to bed. So we will come back here, take a look at the back of this Park Avenue, and we will say good night.